I want you to think about the last time you went on a first date. You knocked on the door. You waited. If they opened the door immediately with a smile, the date started great. But if you stood there knocking for 5 minutes, wondering if they were even home, the date was ruined before you even said hello. Your website is the date, and Google is the person knocking. There is a metric in your Semrush site audit that measures exactly this. It is called TTFB, or time to first byte. Most people ignore this because it sounds like boring technical jargon, but it is actually the most important speed metric in existence. TTFB is the amount of time between when a user clicks your link and when your server sends the very first byte of data back. It is the reaction time of your hosting. If your TTFB is slow, nothing else matters. You can have the smallest images in the world. You can have the cleanest code. You can have the best caching plugin. But if your server takes 2 seconds just to wake up and open the door, your website feels slow. And here is the kicker. You cannot fix TTFB with a plugin. I want you to open your Semrush dashboard right now. Go to Site Audit, click on the Performance tab. Look at the graph. If your time to first byte is over 0.5 seconds, you are in the danger zone. Semrush will flag this as a warning or an error. Why is it high? If you are on cheap hosting, it is because your server is overloaded. It is thinking too hard. It has to ask permission from 500 other websites on the server before it can answer you. Or it is because of network latency. Your server is using cheap, public internet cables to send data. This is why I moved my entire portfolio to Kinsta. I want you to click the Kinsta link I put at the top of the description. Kinsta fixes TTFB in 2 ways that cheap hosts simply cannot match. First, hardware. Kinsta uses Google Cloud C to compute optimized virtual machines. These are the fastest servers Google offers. They don't just think, they react instantly. When I moved my site to Kinsta, my server response time dropped from 600 milliseconds to 50 milliseconds. That is a 1200% improvement instantly. Second, network. Most hosts route your traffic over the public internet, the same roads everyone else uses. It is congested. It is slow. Kinsta uses Google's premium tier network. They use Google's private, dedicated fiber optic cables to route your data around the world. It is like taking a private jet instead of a bus. The result? The door opens instantly. The Googlebot doesn't wait. The user doesn't wait. Your Semrush performance score turns green. If you are staring at a high TTFB number in your audit, stop trying to code your way out of it. It is a hardware problem. Go to that Kinsta link. Get off the public bus. Get on the private jet. Click the link, migrate your site, and make the perfect first impression.